No joke, this might be the easiest and fastest build I've ever done. These rustic serving trays took about 15 minutes in total build time and required only one cut each. They are a great starter project that doesn't require much detail at all. They would also make a fantastic gift, or maybe even something that could sell really well. More on that in the video. Hey everyone, welcome to Salt Life Builds. My name is Drew, and in my opinion, I'm a below average woodworker. I started this channel to document my transformation and hopefully provide some help to others along the way. And if you'd like to follow my journey, hit the subscribe button. I'd love to have you along. All right, let's jump into the build.
The first step is to measure the length for the longest tray. I wanted the bottom tray to be 22 inches long. To make the cut, I used a speed square. To attach the handles, I needed to find the middle of the board. I also needed to find the width of the handle holes, which was 4 inches. So from the middle of the board, I measured 2 inches over. And from those marks, I measured up 1.5 inches from the edge. To find the measurement of the smaller tray, I placed the handles and measured in between them. It came out to 18 inches, so I took 1 inch off and cut it to 17. I then repeated every step from before with just a few minor tweaks. The smaller handles were 3.5 inches, so I measured 1 3/4 inches from the middle this time.
Everyone watching this video, including you, are extremely important to me, and I want to produce the best possible content I can for you. So I'm going to be posting this exact build on Etsy to see what kind of traction it can get. And if that interests you, and you want to see a video of how much profit I made and the process I took to sell it, leave a comment below, like the video, and if enough people are interested, I'd be happy to do it. All right, let's finish this up really quick.
The last steps are to sand down all the sides, add stain, and screw in the handles. I left timestamps below if you would like to skip ahead.